So good morning students. Today I am going to explain about problems based on properties. Children, so we can do the problems very easily by applying the properties of whole numbers. So children, I will tell you examples first. Before we move into the actual exercise, we will take up some examples and I will explain you. So find 196. First example children. Find 196 plus 57 plus 4. 57 plus 4. Children, how to solve this problem by using properties? Children, look here. 196 plus 4 plus 57. Like this we can write, children. Because if we interchange the numbers, the result will never change. If you interchange the numbers, the result will never change. And this property is, so A plus B equal to B plus A. That is as per commutative property. Commutative property. So as per commutative property, we can do it, children. Commutative property. Now again, 196 plus 4 plus 57. This is which property, children, here? 196 plus 4 plus 57 equal to 196 plus 4 plus 57. And this property is associative property. Associative property. Okay, associative property. Now it is easy now. 196 plus 4 equal to how much? 200 plus 57 equal to how much? 257. 257. So this is the way we can solve the problems by applying properties. So which property here? Just we are interchanging the numbers as per A plus B equal to B plus C. So 57 plus 4 nothing but 4 plus 57, both are same. So here also we applied here associative property. So what is A plus of B plus C equal to A plus B plus of C? So associative property, the result remains same, 257. Okay. So one more example you can take up, children. You can take one more example. Find 5 into 9 into 2. Find 5 into 9 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. So the easiest method by applying properties. Okay, children, by applying properties, 5 into 9 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3, children. Now you can write solution, children. 5 into, okay, 5 into 9 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3, right, as children here. Now 5 into 2 into 9 into 2 into 5 into 3. Which property, children, here? Commutative property. Commutative property. Commutative property. Yeah, obviously here 5 into 9 into 9 into 2 into 5 into 3. So now 5 into 2 into 9. Okay, 5 into 2 into 9. It's clear, children? 5 into 2 into 9 of 2 into of 5 into 3, children. Which is this property? Associative property. Associative property. So now 5 into 2 how much here? 10 into 9 into 2 into 15. So easily now you can do it. 10 9 90 plus 2 180 plus 15. How much, children? 2700 equal to 2700. So this is the way of doing sums by applying commutative property and associative property. So there are so many other examples also there, children. See here. Use the commutative and associative property to simplify the following. Simplify the following. Third bit, simplify the following. Simplify the following by using commutative property and associative property. The first one is, actually this is the in textbook, children, try this. Try this textbook page number 22. Page number 22. Try this children. Okay. So simplify the following by using commutative and associative property. 319 plus 69 plus 81 children. So very clear it is. We can do directly addition also, but the condition is that we have to apply the properties. We have to solve. Okay. So now 319 plus 81 plus 69. So here what you have done children? What I have done here children? Just I have interchanged the numbers. So which property here? CP for commutative property. CP for commutative property. Now simple here 319 plus 81 plus 69. Which property is AP? AP means what here? Associative property. AP for associative property. So directly we can write this is 400 plus 69 equal to 469. This is the answer. 469. Okay, this is one example. And take another sum here. 431 plus 37. 431 plus 37 plus 69 plus 63 plus 69 plus 63. So now here 439 plus, children do it here. 431 plus 69 plus 37 plus 63. This is which property children you know? Commutative property CP. Commutative because I have changed here. I brought this side here and took this side. So 69 this side I brought and 37 I took this side. Right side of the number. So now these two and these two now. Observe here. 431 plus 69 plus 37 plus 63. So this is a 500 plus how much this is 100 equal to 600 equal to 600. So like that you can do this. Okay. And next one for third bit. So third bit 2 into 71 into 5 children. Okay. Now here is observation very clear. 2 into 5 into 71 you can write which property? CP, commutative property, because A into B, B into A. A into B or B into B because commutative property. Now 2 into 5 into 7 you can write which property? AP, associative property. Associative property. That implies 10 into 7 equal to 70. This is the answer. Okay, we can apply the formulas. Sorry, we can apply the properties and we can do it. Now, one more sum. Fourth sum. 50 into 70 into 2. 50 into 70 into 2. Same this also we can apply both commutative property and associative property. So here children 50 into generally write 2 into 70. This is a CP commutative property. And 50 into 2 into 17. This is a AP associative property. And 100 into 17 equal to 1700. Very simple children. Directly also you can do it, but here we have specified mentions. Specifically properties are mentioned here. We have to apply the properties and we have to do it. Otherwise, no. Okay, direct answers I will not accept children. You should follow the method. Understand? So this is try these sums. Now, children, one more question. Find 12 into 75 using distributive property. Example 2 children. Find 12 into 75 using distributive property. Using distributive property. Okay. So here very simple children here. 12 into 75 we can write 80 minus 5 children. Or 70 plus 5 both we can write. 75 we can 12 into 70 80 minus 5 children. Now 12 into 80 minus 12 into 5 this is a DP, distributive property over subtraction. So 12 into 12 0 12 adds how much children? 90. 12 adds how much? 96. 960 minus 16 equal to how much children here? 900 equal to 900. So this is the application of distributive property. Same problem we can do like this also. Same problem. Second method. Okay. 12 into 75 replies 12 into 70 plus 5 can write here. 12 into 70 plus 5 can write. So 12 into 70 plus 12 into 5. That is you know very well DP, distributive property. So 12 is 840 children plus 60 equal to 900. 900. So both the cases the result is same. Either you can take 80 minus 5 or you can take 70 plus 5 but in case of 75 and 75. Okay. So like this I'll give some questions to you. You can solve these questions. Solve the following questions. Following sums by using DP. DP means what here? Distributive property. Number 1. Okay, number 1. Find 25 into number 1. Find 25 into 78, comma 25 into 78, comma 17 into 26. 17 into 26. 17 into 26. Okay. And 49 plus into 68 and 49 into 68 plus 32 into 49. 32 into 49. These sums you can do it in your classwork. Remaining sums also which I explained you can do it in your classwork after watching this video. Thank you and have a nice day.